Stop scrolling for a second, look at your phone. It's probably the most expensive thing you carry every day, right? So, why are we all tucking them into the same mass produced plastic cases? The world is craving something tactile, something handmade. Today, we are diving into a curated lookbook of crochet mobile cover design that aren't just crafty. They are high fashion accessories. Whether you are looking for your next viral Etsy product or just some personal inspiration, these designs are about to change how you look at a ball of yarn. First up, let's talk about the clean girl aesthetic. Minimalism is still king on Shopify. Think neutral tones, oatmeal creams, and soft edge. For these, it's all about the tension. A tight, uniform stitch that the most stitch provides a sleek, line-like texture that look incredibly professional. To make these sellable, it's the detail that count. Try adding a single gold palleted lobster clasp or a minimalist wooden button. These are the staple pieces of a shop. They are timeless, they are easy to patch product, and they appeal to everyone. Now let's flip the script. If you want to stop the scroll on Etsy and you need personality, we are seeing a massive surge in kitsch and maximalism. We are talking 3D element, crochet strawberries, 3D sunflower squares, or even covers with bunny ears. The trend right now is object mimicry. Does your phone covers look like a tiny slice of cake or a retro 90s cassette tapes? If you can see, master the industry and tapestry crochet technique to create checkered patterns or evil eye motif, you are looking for a premium price point. People aren't just buying a case here, they are buying a conversation starter.